Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching TechMade Unique, and today we're going to see about a super Android launcher which changes your mobile phone into a computer. So it's called computer launcher, so like a Windows launcher. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Download Computer Launcher Pro from the Play Store. It's a best Windows launcher for your mobile phone. So it's look like a Windows chain. You can just see this is the first impression of this launcher. You can see on the bottom there is a bar which is on like a Windows chain, and here you can long press on the screen, so there will be a pop-up like that, and here you can select the desktop icons same as like a Windows. You can just long press it to open the menu like this. For example, these themes, you have a lot of themes like Windows chain and a lot of themes over here. You can just click it and you can just install it like that, and it's simple. And you can also have a lot of same as like a Windows, so you can just click on this start menu. So here you can find the pop-up, and here you can just swipe up to see all the apps, and you can just add the app styles on your start menu. And also you can just search all the apps on the sidewise, and also it exactly look like a Windows chain. So for an example, if you just need to open any app like by alphabet, you can just open it same as like a Windows. And also you have a power button here, you can just turn it off, or you can just click on the screen and click on this menu for recent apps, and here you can control all the Wi-Fi from here. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.